Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to use the PIERRE T2 thermostat with Zigbee. We start by wiring the thermostat. First, we connect the phase, then the neutral. Next, we add the thermostat to the display. To do this, we first put the T2 thermostat into pairing mode. We start by turning it off, then we press and hold the clock icon for a few seconds until the wireless icon starts blinking. This blinking indicates that the thermostat is in pairing mode. Now we move to the display. We open the menu, choose Settings, then select Add Wave I/O and choose Find Device. The display immediately finds the thermostat. We choose Add Device, optionally rename it, then select Save and Continue, followed by Finish. At this point, the thermostat appears on the dashboard together with its humidity value. We can now turn it on and off and adjust the target temperature in both directions. Everything responds instantly. If we are using a Helsinki display, we can also assign the thermostat to the knob. We open the menu, choose Settings, then Displays, select Helsinki, open knob settings, and choose Add New Knob. Here we select the thermostat, then save and confirm. When we return to the dashboard, the thermostat is immediately available on the knob. We can adjust the temperature smoothly, increase or decrease it, and switch the thermostat on or off with ease. And that's it. The PIERRE T2 thermostat works perfectly with Zigbee. See you in the next video.